Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In the last episode we were working on the drive shafts. I don't really feel like continuing with those today. Perhaps I will do some work on the power steering pump. I have the rebuild kit here. Yeah, I'm trying to take care of that. So we first need to clean out the power steering housing. We need to have a look at the service manual, and then hopefully we can do some assembling of that. Here we have the power steering pump housing and the back end piece. One of the bigger things to go here, and the suction tube, which I still have to modify. I will cut the piece off and weld on a AN fitting. And here we have all the different parts, but the screws are not looking very nice, so I'm not really sure on what I should do with that. It would be nice to plate them, but I think I can assemble basically all of it and just put the screws in finger tight, and then maybe tape it together or something and remove the screws and treat them in some way. And here we have the gates rebuild kit. So we have a dust seal, we have a few snap rings, and a lot of O-rings. Hopefully we have them all. This is the number 348409. So I will start with cleaning the housing and removing this seal. So the screws and nuts are no longer in the bags, and I guess you can hear the noise. It's a small ultrasonic cleaner. So hopefully that will be cleaning some of the dirt off the screws, and then I can decide if I want to sandblast them or whatever. Yeah, so if I'm going to sandblast them, I will take a cardboard box, push down all the screws, put them in the sandblaster, sandblast it, and it would be nice to coat it or plate it, but then I need some more tools for that. So the cheaper option would be spray can or something like that. this is what it looks like after a few rounds of ultrasonic cleaner, and in the cleaner it's very clean, so no extra cleaning necessary. I will rinse these off and see where we're at. So here we have the screws after rinsing them off, and some of them looks okay, but others, I mean, they have rust on them, so I'm not really sure what I should do. Normally I just clean them and install them, but yeah, I'm not so sure. There is some dirt left, so maybe just scoop it out and do another round in the ultrasonic cleaner. But I think I need to make a decision before I move on. So I will end this here basically. So a short episode, basically just cleaning the power steering housing and the screws. But yeah, I really need to figure out what to do with the screws, because I have the same question about the screws in the suspension that I removed. So we'll see. But this is it for now. So until next episode, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.